In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a map chart in PowerPoint. If you need to create an engaging presentation that visually represents geographical data, a map chart can be an excellent tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert and customize a map in PowerPoint, all in just 5 minutes. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint application. You can access it from your desktop taskbar or applications folder depending on your setup. Once inside, select a presentation that you'd like to work on. If you're starting from scratch, you can choose a blank presentation or any existing template to proceed. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the Insert tab located in the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find almost everything you might want to insert into your slide, from images to charts and icons. Next, within the Insert menu, look for the Icons option. This feature is incredibly versatile and houses a broad array of graphics you can utilize to enhance your presentation. Now that you're in the icons library, you'll see a wealth of options presented to you. For our purpose, head over to the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the dialog box. In the search field, type in keywords such as map or globe, hit enter, and PowerPoint will give you an array of map-related icons to choose from. When selecting an icon, think about what best fits the theme and tone of your presentation. Once you've made your choice, click on the map icon to insert it into your slide. You can then resize, reposition, or even change the color of the graphic to match your presentation style and theme. The flexibility and customization options are immense, allowing you to tailor the map to perfectly fit your needs. Before you know it, you've just crafted a map chart in PowerPoint, a powerful visual tool to illustrate geographical concepts or data. Such visuals can be particularly compelling in presentations where spatial relations or regional statistics play a key role. Inserting a map chart is a straightforward process, yet it can greatly enhance the effectiveness and engagement level of your presentations. It's a handy skill to keep under your belt, whether you're pitching a global sales strategy or showcasing travel itineraries. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you can now confidently integrate map charts into your PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for tips and tricks on making your presentations shine.